Hi, TR here. This video is about the budgeting assignment, your first one in Module 5. First screen you see is the content pages that populate our financial wellness. There are 3 lessons that you need to carefully read and review before you actually get to the assignment budgeting content page. What's it going to look like? So let's go to the content page. Now, with budgeting, it's got 2 parts. There's a budgeting app for your smartphone, and then there's an alternative budgeting assignment where you use a spreadsheet to do this assignment. Now, if you don't want to do the budgeting app for your smartphone and you're not comfortable with that, that's when you do the alternative. You do one or the other. I mean, you can do both, and I'll mark both, but you only get credit for one. Now, the budgeting app for your smartphone. Step 1 is set a financial goal. Carefully read this information, please. Step 2, choose a budgeting app. If you're using one already, wow, impressed. If you're not, here is a link to the 16 budgeting apps. Please click on that link and it'll take you to that page, and then you can review best budgeting apps for you for 2020. Step 3, use the app. You want to use it for at least a week. And step 4 is your review. Here's the template link, and I will show you what the template looks like shortly. And I do strongly recommend you use the template. It's got 7 parts to it. The next is the submit. And I see that I've got step 4 twice here, which I'll need to change. Anyways, you need to go to Test a Budgeting App folder in the assignment folders, and you submit that template there. Here's the rubric for the budgeting assignment. I'm going to quickly show you the template. Here's the template. Make sure you put your name, fill in the information. The more information you give, the more personalized you make it, the better it is for you and the better mark that you'll receive. So double win. The budgeting rubric is here. This is what it looks like. I give grades from 1 to 4, and this is the criteria that I'm following, and depending on what you submit, I'll make a decision on where it fits in this scale. Next, the alternative. Again, if you don't want to do your smartphone app, this is what you do, the alternative. Here's a quick look at the spreadsheet. Now, step 1 is you set a financial goal, create a monthly budget, read all this information. Here is the link to the spreadsheet. Step 2, create your review. Here's the link to the template. It's got 6 parts. And again, I strongly recommend you use the template. Step 3, you submit. Now you're submitting 2 parts, the spreadsheet and your review, to the assignment folder, Dropbox Alternative Budgeting. And here's the link for the rubric. Now, what does the template look like? It will look like this. You fill in this information to the best of your ability. The more detail and more personalized you make it, the better it is for you and better mark that you get. And the rubric, here is the rubric. And it looks like this. You will have that link. You can take a look at it and review it if you wish. And the spreadsheet looks like this. Click in the field, put your number. It can be real, it can be make-believe, as long as it's realistic. Don't put silly numbers in there, because it kind of makes the assignment not less valuable for you. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, use your private discussions and let me know what your concern is. Now, if you have tips that will make this better, great. Because if you have ideas, say, hey, if you did this, this would work way better, or it would be better. So please feel free to offer any advice that you might have like that. Take care. I know things are kind of lousy with the lockdown and stuff, but you got to do what you got to do, and enjoy what you can enjoy. All the best. Bye now.